Taino Stories presents part of the Taino Empire in Boriquén. We begin in the capital, Guainía, which covers the southern region, starting from the municipality of Juana Díaz. In the municipality of Juana Díaz, where the town stands today, was the Caciques of Tayaboa, near the river and bay of the same name. The town of Juana Díaz was called Tayaboa because its cacique was named Tayaboa. The indigenous toponym Tayaboa is still preserved in neighborhoods and along the coast, confirming the Taino heritage in the region. There was also the Yucayeque of Cayabo, led by the cacique Cayabo. In this region was the Cacicazgo of Jacaguas, located on the banks of the Jacaguas River, in what is now Juana Díaz and part of Santa Isabel. Inabon was a Yucayeque on the border of Juana Díaz and Ponce, with a cacique of the same name in the Juana Díaz region. Inabon connected Juana Díaz with Ponce, and they traded with each other. Part of Guainía was the great municipality of Ponce, where there was a main Cacicazgo and several Yucayeques. Ponce also had the largest ceremonial park in Boriquén, called Tibes. Maragüex was the largest Cacicazgo in Ponce, covering the town itself. Its cacique was also named Maragüex. Baramaya was a Yucayeque near the Portuguese River, and its cacique had the same name. The river was also called that. Bucana was a Yucayeque in what is today La Playa de Ponce, and its cacique was named Bucana. Guayani was a Yucayeque near the Inabon River in Ponce. Its cacique was named Guayane. Macurex was a Yucayeque on the coastal plain of Ponce, allied with Bucana. Its cacique was named Macurex. Yaurreibo was the Yucayeque guarding the entrance of the Portuguese River. Yayales was another Yucayeque in Ponce, with a cacique named Yayales. In the municipality of Peñuelas, there was 3 Cacicazgos. The Cacicazgo of Macuyagua, its cacique was Macuyagua. This settlement was on the banks of the Talaboa River. The Cacicazgo of Guaraguao, its cacique was Guaraguao. It was in the mountains of Peñuelas, linked to the upper river basin. The Cacicazgo of Talaboa, under Cacique Yuisay, some sources name him that, at the mouth of the Talaboa River, where today's barrio of the same name is located. Taiboa was a Yucayeque in Peñuelas, but the name of its cacique has not been preserved. In Guayanilla, the Cacicazgo of Guayana existed. The river and the cacique were also called Guayana. The Spaniards said the name's etymology came from a river in Spain called the Guadiana, which runs through Spain and Portugal. But this is not true. The name comes from Guayana, the original name of the Yucayeque Guayana. In Guayana or Guayanilla, there were several Cacicazgos and Yucayeques. The other Cacicazgo was Jagua, which also gave its name to the Jagua River and to the cacique himself. The Yucayeque Yeyesa had a cacique named Yeyesa, settled on the banks of the Guayanilla River, which was originally called the Yeyesa River. Macana was another Cacicazgo of Guayanilla. The toponym is still preserved today in neighborhoods and rivers of the region. Very close by was the Yucayeque of Mana, recorded in old sources as part of the Southern Territory, specifically in the area of Guayanilla. Its name survives in the Mana River and in the Mana neighborhood of Guayanilla. Maca was another Yucayeque in Guayanilla, and its cacique was also named Maca. In Yauco, there were several Taino Cacicazgos and Yucayeques. Guaybana, brother of Aguaybana the Elder, was the main leader of Yauco. The town of Yauco was called Caoyuco. That's why the town is called Yauco today, a toponym derived from the word Caoyuco, something many historians have confused, since they think Yauco is a toponym from the name Yaurreibo, who was a cacique enslaved from a smaller Yucayeque of Yauco. But Yaurreibo was not the main cacique of Yauco, but a chief of a smaller settlement who was enslaved and sent to the Spanish encomiendas. Maruex, sometimes written Maruez, was another Cacicazgo. It was from Yauco that the main caciques of the island and the Taino warriors gathered for the 1511 uprising against the Spanish, with the cry of Guasabara. Caciques was another Yucayeque of Yauco, with the cacique Caciques. Susua was a Yucayeque and river of Yauco. Its cacique was named Caciques. Dewey was a Yucayeke on the riverbank in Yauco. Its cacique was named Due. Jacana was a Yucayeke in Yauco. Its cacique was named Jacana. All these territories belonged to Guainia, the capital of Puerto Rico, under the command of Agueybana. Follow us for the continuation in part 4, so you can learn what was preserved from the Taino Empire in Puerto Rico. Because the Tainos are still here and we still remember.